All right, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. My name is Hassan. I'm the Struggling Day Trader, and we live, baby. What's going on, Leon? Yeah, man, it's time. It is time. I must say, I feel a bit anxious this morning. Um, but we'll be all right. So, what you got? What you got, Leon? I got Pony. I'm looking for the daily breakout on Pony. Yeah, well, because it doesn't have to be my last week. Like, bruh, it's a lot at stake here. I'm trading for my life, bro. uh, but yeah, I'm looking for the daily breakout on Pony. Um, Foxo reverse split pump day. So I've been told. So I'm checking that out. But my main thing I'm excited about is Baba. Nice little pop up and then little consolidation, two narrow range days, and now we're gapping up. I think that looks pretty good. Might be able to get a nice size uptrend today, hopefully. Hopefully not just a big candle at the open, but an actual uptrend. And then KTTA, which, yeah, I'm not, I saw MRIN, but I don't like them under a dollar. I mean, under $2. Um, yeah. Well, we got KTTA and Foxo in common. Maybe we'll get another one today. Ah. Ooh, Pony got slapped at the open. Real bad. Foxo. Yeah. Yeah, I was excited to see Baba gapping up. Definitely feel Baba's not in the S&P, so I think I could feel good about catching the uptrend in the midst of what the spies got going on. Yeah. Hey, what's up, Pond? Appreciate it, bro. Ooh, the Pony getting bought up over here. Hmm. Yeah. Did it halt already? Wow, that's it. uh, this thing gonna be halting every 5 minutes. Yeah. Look at Baba already showing out. Up, up.
JD.
JD. That's the other one I wanted to look at when I saw Bobble popping up. Nah, that's still below the 20. No, thank you. KTTA. Getting some energy over here.
Bia, KTTL.
Bia.
OPL.
KTTA looking kind of good for the 5-minute ORB. Nice little hammer there.
LCID.
Over 236. What up, Trey?
SEDG.
Pony too. Pony got a super wide range on that tail though. Downtrending at the moment. There goes the ORB on KTTA. Real nice. It's just not in the playbook. Looking for that daily breakout on Pony. Yesterday's high was 1148. And then the high of this whole consolidation is 1168. That's the highest volume day over 1134. Yeah. Everything's looking decent. Foxo's open. See how long that lasts. Limit down already. I don't even know why I'm even watching
PLTD.
this. Can't even move. Can't even move, bro. I need something else. Yeah. What we gonna do with Foxo, bro? Nothing.
PONY.
No, thank you. All right, Baba, I see you. Hymns. What's going on here? Ooh, wow, that's a ridiculous move. Oh my God, what's happening with hymns? Earnings.
FOXO.
Guess they had good earnings, eh? Revenue jumps 111%. Subscribers up 38%. Huh. Okay. It's pretty good, eh? Pretty good, eh? Yo, look at that 5-minute ORB.
SKX.
XKX. SKX. Wave Rider. Yeah, that's hella crazy, Leon. That's that's what you want to hear from the company you've invested in. Pony looking pretty solid over here. Mm, nah, I don't know if we're gonna be able to trade it anytime soon anyway. Hey, what's going on, Three Pony? Shoot, KTTA the best thing going right now. PLTD. Ooh, look at this stuff. SEDG, one day. Capital over a few highs. What is this thing? Better than earnings? Oh, this are earnings? Huh. Mm. Yo, that look kind of good. This doesn't, but this does. This looks really good. It's alright. It's alright. Hmm. Halt Fest. Yeah, bro. I took Foxo off watch, bro. After the second halt, inside of the range of the first halt, the first candle, ain't even no point, bro. Yeah. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna put hymns over here. I mean, it's going up so much though. Man, I really almost wanted to take one pony on the one. Yeah. It's back to one set. For real. Yeah, I'd be mad. Oh wow. Just stuck there too. Mad. No idea if you're gonna get shares out or not, or what price you're gonna get them out at anyway. Pony's looking pretty decent. It was quite a decent 1 minute, but I mean it's on the 1 minute. I can't put no weight on it no more. Those days are done. KTTA going off over here, man. I know. It's looking good over here. On the one. Oh, this one, huh? You touching it? 2526. Yeah, it's trading pretty nicely. Baba taking his time, which I'm kind of happy to see. I was worried Baba was just gonna like explode in the first couple candles. I wouldn't be able to do anything. Now on Pony, I could take that, but that's a high day break, so I can't take it. Nah. Haha. Clarity, man, makes these decisions a lot easier. Shout out Trey. For sure, because of you, I'm not taking this, the break of this high. Just because I don't want to see the Billy sign. Yep. I will not be Billy today. I will sell to Billy. Yo, Jack, man. Yesterday was crazy, man. Hopefully we can do it again. Yeah, man, we tore what was that? GPUS. We tore GPUS up, man. Yeah, KTTA going off, man. That was the breakout level right there. 268 was like my consoling. It just ran right through that. It'd be cool to see a pullback to that level, though. Nice little narrow range jump. Boy, Hims and KTTA look the same. What's happening? What about me? What about me? Right. Just straight up, man. Squeezing. ARED. Oh yeah, nah, that's a downtrend waiting to happen. Bruh, Pony, man. Just ain't giving a brother no setups. Not yet, anyway. Yeah, KTTA, bruh. All gas, no brakes. NQ plunge. Oh, it's my first time even glancing at the SPY since the open. Well, KTTA over $3. I'm totally mentally prepared to have a nothing burger day. I'm ready for that. Yeah, I was looking at that 5 minute opening range breakout on KTTA. It was a really nice hammer candle that right there, and the break was right above that 236 level I got mapped out. Went straight to 268, but just been wanting to wait for that confirmation. Confirmation. Really? Yeah. It's just not throwing those R's out. It's just not worth it to me no more, man. I gotta. It's just bleeding so badly from that. Yeah, I don't know about Pony, man. Still got a lot of good green volume in here, but yeah, actually, this pullback right here is nice. That's real nice. But it's on the one. Nope. What's up, Pharaoh? Yeah, we gotta turn up, man. It's we at the end of the road, man. It's either go hard or go home. I gotta have if I got something to show for this week, I can make an argument for myself to proceed. If not, you know, it's time to make a pivot. Okay, now Pony look like it's I like this a lot. I like this candle, this volume, but now we need the pattern, the confirmation. What's up, Nova? Man, I gotta go back to work, man. I got like a really good job I could be working right now. And you know, I do the side jobs and stuff, but it's not the same as like getting getting up and being on a commercial site at 7 a.m. You know, and been chasing the dream for 5 years, man. Wifey been real patient. So, what's up, OG? Yeah, that's exactly what it is, Pharaoh. It's the proving grounds. I think I got it, but gotta prove it. Oh yeah, man, she's fantastic. A blessing for sure. Bro, even when she told me she wanted, is my hat up here? My hat's in the car. She got me a hat. I sent her a screenshot of one of my charts when I was real excited one day with like all my executions going all the way up. And she got me a hat with it printed on the front of the hat, man, the chart. And so yeah, she's definitely a huge supporter, but there's definitely a practical way to approach this, and I had a cool run, and now I just need to go stack some bread, put some savings to the side and give it another go. Yeah, bro, just like super thoughtful, man. She told me she felt bad asking me to go back to work after because she made the hat before she came to that conclusion. But yep, this is the week, Nova. I did I mean I knew it was coming. I went up to 25 risk. I've been trading $1, $3, $5 risk for a while. I went up to $25 risk Friday and got almost 3R, so $70. And then went to $50 an R yesterday, and man, 6R, $300. And now today we're at $100 an R. So we'll see what happens. The increased risk definitely makes me it puts so much weight on each trade though. Like I was being really frivolous and careless with the trades I was taking, and it's definitely like, all right, bro, this is serious. Like you can't just take anything. I appreciate you, Leon. It means a lot, man. And it sure would have been nice to be in KTTA right now. This would have been a ballsy trade, but it was clean. Him's coming back in. I wouldn't mind a nice little something down here at 43. Yeah, I don't know if Pony's gonna make it today. I'm really excited for Baba, man. I was really hoping Baba would catch a bid, man. Mm, yeah, that was the one, Leon. Yeah, it's gone now. We might be able to get something else later. Golly. Yeah, I think this 268 level, hopefully, I think this might come back into play. That would be cool. This looks like a nice one right here on Baba, but I gotta wait for the confirmation above the EMA. This is what gets your attention, especially if this 15 turns green. If this 15 closes green over here, Baba might be that golden ticket today. I mean, it hasn't had a wide range day in a long time, and it's gapped up, consolidated, and then gapped up again today. Earnings coming up on the 15th. It'd be a nice little run up for earnings, man. If I was an earnings player, it's time to pile in. I don't know. I don't know anything about playing earnings. Slowing down. Foxo, still giving Foxo some attention. Yeah. It's trading so weird because of the halts, I think. This 5 minute chart looks ridiculous. Well, that and there's like a bunch of minutes missing. I don't know about him. It's coming down to 43, but it's already done way too much already. Like look what it did already. I'm not about to expect more out of that. Yeah, I'm about to take it off. Was really good earnings though. Last time they got a really good pump too. Was this earnings, I wonder? What's going on here? Got a double bottom on Pony, maybe? See no real volume for real though. Yeah. What you trade today, OG? It's a pretty big volume spike right there. I wonder if it's gonna break it and move up or double top and come back. I say double top and come back. Yeah. Dang, man. That's good. We're all trading the same things. Hopefully, gone are the days where you guys come in and be like, dude, what is that? Why are you trading that? Oh, that's what's up. Shout out Foxo. Come on, Baba. You the one I want. Balls. Ball SXTC. Wow. Yeah, I looked at this and I was just like, it daily wasn't looking good to me at all. I couldn't justify it. What kind of play is it, Leon? It's just up on the scanner, Momo scanner play. It's going up. So you trading it? Yeah, it's a pretty huge candle right here. It's at 8 o'clock. Yeah. Look at that. Came right down to 43. Nice volume spike there. I like to see the one retake to the 20 and then the 5 It's still far away, but this is yesterday's high, which is a great level to come back and test. But it's just already done so much. Yeah, she's KTTA bounced. I was wrong on that one, boy. Reverse beat pattern. Oh, okay. All right, Baba. There we go. There we go. Yeah. Okay, the 15 didn't close green, but it just made a new high. Still got like 20 minutes minimum for this thing to set up, though. That's wild. Well, not necessarily. If it just had a 5-minute resting candle there, I'd probably mess with it. Man, I don't want to miss it. I surely don't want to miss it. Baba's price action feels so safe. But it could get crazy real quick. Just gotta be patient. Man. Yeah, nah, I'm definitely not gonna do that. Hopefully. Yeah, I'm not buying it way up here for sure. 3 green 15-minute candles up. Nah. I'm more interested in Baba over here. Just slow down, bro. Give me a chance. Just give me a chance. Hmm. That would be kind of wild, though. Man, him just looking interesting. Right the level I wanted. Volume's definitely coming back. Still got 3 minutes though on this candle. 956, 959. I don't want to be scared. I also don't want to be scared of the strongest stock. You know what I mean? I'm like, oh, it's too strong. I think I want to take hymns, but I don't want it to be too far gone, man. I do want it to retake the. Just chill out though. Stop is hella wide.
SBSW.
$15 looking good too, man. Yeah. What to do here? Yeah, Baba's volume is decreasing. It's dying a slow death. I don't know if this ain't enough volume. Is this enough volume to kick off? Could just wait on the 15. Just wait another 5 minutes. But then that joker could have ran off. This is the level I wanted to trade it at. It's close to the EMA, but
KGC.
over here too. At the same time.
Order filled.
Nah, I need a higher high for that one. Damn, I don't know. Yeah, this might come back. I think I should have kept my low down here. What's yesterday's high? 43.10. I'm at 43.20. Well, shoot, once it breaks that high, there is that new high. Got the 15 green over there too.
Order filled.
More than knives.
capital T.
3-bar trap and hold. What's going on here, man? I hate having my stop 5 cents above the whole dollar, but it's kind of a lot. Got a pop on Baba. If I had my watch on, my heart rate would definitely be going off. I really like the 15 over here on hymns. If we can't, oh my God, imagine breaking new highs, bro. Yeah, you're right, bro. But it's just still, it's so much at stake, man. Like, this could be the moment I've been waiting for 5 years. Imagine. Check out Baba over here. It's like, okay, we got the entry. Now we got to manage it. You know. See that volume. Come on, hymns to 50, man. Oh man, the market's rolling. Come on, hymns. We need that real move. That 15 looking good though. Baba ain't even got started yet, yo. Baba ain't even got started yet. That's the thing about it. That's what Baba was the one. That was my ace. The Baba was the one I really wanted. I wanted to get on a big stock that could uptrend like $10. That's when I seen Baba gapping up today, I was like let's make this happen today. I still feel like my stop is kind of high on hymns, but hopefully 44 has got a hold, man. I almost want to raise my stop up under this low, which I mean, I think is valid. Not really though. Just try to be patient. Market looks good. But I just don't want to get stopped out on a pullback to the EMA, especially a higher low. I should have risked down to this low for sure. Just so that I wouldn't be stressed out. Oh, check out KTTA now. Now that is purdy. Right at $3 and the EMA. Hey yo. Hey yo. Man, I ain't got that much buying power left. Which might be a good thing. That's pretty nice though. Nice dip below the one, especially the one retake. Oh yeah, look at this volume. Oh man, I'm taking it. Well, still got 2 minutes for this candle to close, but I'm saying, I like it. I like it. What happened to a small number of trades a day? The goal is to just take the setup. All those like rules and stuff was because I couldn't control myself to just trade the setup. But if I see 3 setups, I want to take them. You know what I mean? The issue was me taking 10 setups and only one of them was actually a setup and the rest of them were FOMO or experimental, you know. So nah, if it's good, it's good. I don't think I'm gonna be able to get the shares I want for this though. Yeah, I just thought that volume profile was really nice on the pullback. Um, hmm. 1 minute left on this candle. $292. Yeah, yeah, you're right, Leon. I was definitely just fooling around. It was like I wanted myself to take it so seriously, but I just couldn't. It was $1. I gotta change this alarm to my new stop time. Be messing up my vibe. I don't know, man. I'm having second thoughts. Yeah. Still haven't seen any buyers actually step up yet. Where's the buyers? High is 315. That's where I would want. Yeah, I don't see nothing happening over here. Unless this is like a huge double bottom and big volume comes in. Looks like you want to flush though. 292 is the low. 293. Oh, here it comes. That might be enough. A little double bottom there. Oh, for real? Nah, that's cool. 43.40 though. Ah, yeah. He's a killer. Still not really seeing it over here. Yeah.
EXE.
Usually I do expect it seems to want to break the consolidation before moving up. Some kind of break below 292. But I don't know if it's even worth me messing with anymore, bro. I got Baba and Hims over here looking pretty strong. And this thing is kind of sketching me out. And I still don't really like the daily either. Like, to me, it makes a lot of sense that it got slapped right there because of this day. You know? But that being said, this is kind of a nice move up and pull back to the level I like to take things, and a whole dollar. And we got this level holding of 292. I just want to see some buying volume. I just want to see a big green spike or something. Something. That might be it. $311 is the trigger now. Oh man. Hmm. Mm-mm. I'm not doing it. I took it off my watch. Is that silly? I don't know, man. It might be the perfect read. Ha, good. No buying power for that position. Yeah, forget it. Well, I tried to take it. I ain't got enough buying power. Whatever. Should have sold hymns for it. Man, look at this Baba trade, y'all. I don't have enough shares of Baba either. I should have been, that should be 2R for sure. Yeah, we basically got all this hymns. I should have just calculated a share size based on my BP and just bought that, but I'm doing okay. I would be pretty upset to stop out on hymns though. I really want to see 50 though, and at least 30 on Baba. But honestly, $27. Yeah, like 131, 132. I might have to hang back a little for that though. Should I add it to Baba? Stretched them. That's the thing about playing these large caps is there's no it uses up all your BP. I had no problem trading GPUS yesterday. Yeah, this was a good trade. Yeah.
Order filled.
Yo, what up? What up? The real ghost DJ. No trade day? Yeah, I ain't mad at that. I ain't see nothing on the small caps from my view. All right, back to break even on Himsy with that high right there. 36, 45. Come on, Baba, get it together, man. Get it together. Man. Yeah, I gotta bring it home though, DJ. It ain't home yet. Gotta hold 129, man. Oh, I like that. I like that. Oh, come on, Hims. To infinity and beyond. Oh, I don't like that red candle. What's that? We take that out quickly. Just by selling now. I get it. I'm using larger size too, but I play the R's, you know. I don't really trip on the shares of the dollar sign. I'm looking at the R's. I appreciate it. Yeah, I'm feeling the pressure was definitely on a while ago, but I'm feeling a little better now. I'd feel a lot better if Hams would take out this high volume candle up here. That's like a lot. Market's running. Oh yeah, it is. Look at Baba, man. I wish I had more shares. I wasn't even thinking about adding, man. I should have added right here. Wasn't even thinking about it. Yeah, man. Oh, hams to 50 and Baba to 132, y'all, and it's bananas. Up 250. Oh, snaps. That's crazy. That's crazy. I'm telling you, Baba just got started. I'm expecting at least $5 out of the ATR Baba today. 127.50. So 132.50. I sell at 131.97. Be cool. Of course, I'm gonna sell along the way. I'm just saying, like, as far as kind of holding a main bit of shares, bro. If this thing goes $5 with 100 shares, though, that's bananas. I'm even thinking about those kind of numbers. Well, both stops are above break even. So we're not gonna lose. Inshallah. But will we win? That's what we gotta do. We gotta win. Come on, Baba. You gotta run, Baba. Yes, sir. Exactly. I'm not here just to do the Devin Haney and run around the ring so I don't get knocked out. I'm here for the dub. Man, inshallah, I appreciate it. I had a mind to take off some shares up here, but I was just looking at the volume and not really seeing a reason to sell. Oh man. But
C.
I think maybe I want to chill below this 5 minute. Where is my stop at in relation to the 5? Okay, I'm being too aggressive for sure. Actually, yeah. Let's slow down a little bit. The only thing about Baba is that my risk on Baba is about, it's not as much as I thought actually, about 30 cents. So up here, I mean, I was actually like 2.5 R in the money, but it only said like 1.3 R, so I didn't do anything. Save 10% for the dream. Yeah. I mean, if I'm wanting to get 132 out of this puppy, I can't be too aggressive with my stop for sure. So we'll just chill down there. Look at hams, baby. Yeah, I think I might do that next time it pops through highs. I'm gonna try to hold for 130, and then 130 I'll take off a good amount. And it's coming back to test 129 again. I sure hope it holds. What's that looking like? Okay. Yeah. KTTA. Oh man, dang, that was another shot at KTTA right there to me on the 5 and the 15 at this point. Yeah, this is way saucier. Yeah, being patient for this would have been, could have had a lot more confidence in this one, especially at pre-market high. Yeah, KTTA is really nice. It's kind of disappointing that my order didn't go through. I should have just calculated shares, but we're good. We're good. Looks like Bob is holding 129. Yeah, I didn't do my math at all in my head on that one. Hopefully we can get a nice what's profit target. I'm just looking to get, well, I guess I do kind of have a profit target. I'd like to see Hims go to 50, but I'm not holding like all my shares for 50. I'm definitely going to start taking profit. Once I cross 2R on Hims, I'll start taking profits. For sure, I'll take profit if we cross high of day. But I think maybe by the time, if we can get through 47, I'll probably be in the money enough to start taking profit. But Baba, I'm hoping for like 132, honestly. Or are we talking money? Dollar sign. I just would like to, 3R, I would be super happy to get 3R on both of these. But anything over 2R is a dub. Um, Not losing any money today would be super awesome. I think that's in the bag. I don't see myself lowering my stop past where it's at now. Um, but yeah, we got to make some money. So, uh, just need that move up, man. Kind of been going sideways for a while. Ooh, KTTA look like it's catching a bad one. Catching a bad one. Man, be blessed. But in the dream world, I would like to, 600 bucks today would be pretty cool. Oh, the dippity dip. The dippity dip on KTTA. Is that the, ooh, look at that dip. Pony retaking The 20 EMA, that was actually kind of saucy right there on the 5. This guy right here. But now it's really activated. So a higher low on the 5, I would probably... nah, this is supposed to be a daily breakout. This is like actually way out of play at this point. Let's go, hands. Let's go. Higher this little consolidations area, 46.75. We got to 46.70. So we need to get over 75. And then seven, and then 48.52.
HLN.
I don't know, man. It don't seem like it's gonna hold 129. It just keeps trying it. It's not a bad hourly pattern though. Might be all right. Okay. Yeah. Man, look at Pony for the daily breakout, man. Oh my God. That would have been so crazy to take that. What up, Trey? Dang. I was looking for the higher low, but there you go. I just need him to do his thing. Come on. 46.75. Bob was stressing me out over here. Supposed to be my bread and butter. Oh man, bro. There's the daily breakout that I wanted. That's cool. So let's put a little level there. Pre-market seems to have been pretty significant during pre-market. Let's see what happens. All I need is a red 5-minute candle. I'm chilling though. I just really want Baba to go to 132 and then everything will be fine. Wow, Pony, man. Oh my God. I wasn't paying it any mind. Okay, Baba. Man, it sure held 129, bro. I was nervous, like, dang, bro, it don't look like it went. Oh, no, I don't like these little two volume, two candles like that. Need that new high over 129.25. KTTA still looking pretty good. Just walking up that 20 EMA right now. Come on, hams. I think hams over 46.75, man, and we good to go. It's a big jump. I don't know what to make of this chart right now. Like, I don't know what to expect. Yeah, I know, man. Sucks. Yeah, that is true. There's that 5 minute candle. Risky as heck, though. Man, bruh, is that not super duper clean with the volume spike on the bottoming tail? at previous high of day. Is that not what you want? Like, what more do you want? What more do you want? KTTA fell out, man. Alhamdulillah. We missed that stray. Yeah, we just gonna chill and manage out these two, man. KT Hams broke 46. It's kind of sad. Wanna... Back over 46. Yeah, on the NQ.
PR.
But you want to take it. Why the hesitation? Because the market's strong. I know, right, Trey? Bruh, I don't want to be holding. I want to be selling. I need more. Yeah, I feel you. Want to jump in front of that train. Definitely don't like this big candle right here, Leon. That makes me feel like the short is active. Look like Hims want to fight back though. Come on, Hims. And Baba don't care nothing about the SPY. Baba says SPY who? Dang, KTTA halted down. 236. Sheesh. Is that Baba approaching new high of day?
EQX.
All right, I need to sell more than this, but I'm going to sell at least this at 130. If it'll let me put it out there. No, I need more buying power, bro. This is not sufficient. Didn't go back up enough. Got 3 minutes left on this 15-minute candle. And it is dropping. Yo, Uncle Paul. I don't know, man. I don't know. We still got to see how the day closes out, man. I got a long way to 20R at the end of the week. I got 14 to go. I called my broker guy this morning to raise my risk and update my buying power. And when I asked for the buying power, he was about to say, "Did you send?" And then he was like, "Oh." Okay.
CNMP.
Saw that 300 from yesterday, like, oh, okay. I guess I can do that. Yeah, that was dope. Yeah. Went from calling them to increase my max loss so I can trade further into the hole to asking for buying power. Okay, come on. Back over 46. I'm still waiting for 46.75. It looks very energetic right now. I like that. Pony over here looking attractive. I ain't gonna hold you. Bruh. Did it break out though? What's the high? 48 and went to 38. So not really. It went up there and got slapped is what it did. Yeah, I'm just gonna manage out my guys over here. Oh, that's what I like to see. Just need that 75, man. Then we can go. Baba's looking decent. I just want that new high a day. So we can get to 30. That 60s on him. 69. Ooh. Come on, man. Break that 75. Let's run. You got 111% earnings. You deserve to be $50 a share. Let's go. Look at Bob over here doing work. $53, little double top fair. Bruh. Need that 75. We got to 70 though. I'm getting closer. Yes, sir. Shoot. Definitely trying to keep that job away, man. Oh my God. I don't want to go to work so bad. I don't want to go to work so bad. I think I'm becoming a profitable day trader. That's what needed to happen. My wife needed to tell me you got to go back to work. No. No. All right. I'll stop taking bad trades. Total nightmare, bro. I don't know, man. We can't jump the gun yet, Nova. We got like 3 good days so far. But I'm feeling really good about it. I like this pony setup a lot, but it's just not valid for real. Still got highs over here to fight through. Yeah. I'm about to go on ahead and close down all my extra charts. Cause ain't nothing else happening today but Baba and hymns. Straight like that. For real? Dang. That's crazy. Yeah, that's wild. Yeah, I definitely need bruh, if I can get my account high enough to risk $350 a trade, bruh. 2R, 3R, like a 3R trade is like mind blowing amounts of money. uh, I mean, this is pretty wild right here, up almost 300 bucks. Yo, look at this, man. It's clean, bro. I just don't like the daily enough to jump in there. It's too many other factors. Let me get it off my screen. It's bothering me. All right, hymns. Oh, there's 75. Oh, we got 80. Oh man, finally, bro. Finally. Bro, $600 in the account before yesterday. Um Friday I had $633 in my account. I made $70 Friday and brought the account up to 700. And then yesterday I made $300 and brought the account up to 1,000. And here we are today. What's happening? Yeah, the percent gain yesterday was bananas. Trying to do it again today. Yo, Baba is doing very well. Where's my calculator? Hmm, how much do I really want to leave? I know it should be because I think I didn't have enough buying power to get the full position, so it just gave me what I could afford, I guess. I don't know, but my risk was like I don't know, it was low though. It was just down to here, which is like 50 cent. So I should definitely be well past 2R by now. Also, definitely earned the stop up under 129 for sure. Chat disconnected. Uh-oh. Okay, successfully connected. Are we good? Hopefully. Look at that. 46.88 on hymns. Look at the 15 on hymns, yo. Look at the 15 on hymns. Yeah, I definitely think so too, Nova. Needed to increase the stakes, man. And wifey came through clutch. Gonna give me the hat and then tell me to go back to work. Like, I see what you did there. Yeah, I know. I gotta get. I pretty much got my eyes set on 130 for Baba, and I don't want to be that way because I feel like if I had the proper amount of shares down here, I would have been taking profit on these highs, and I want to trade the chart, not the P&L. But these are kind of dire circumstances at the same time, so I need to get to the bag. But get to the bag by following the process, not by being greedy and holding. So yeah, I really want to take some shares off. Um, I just also think we're really good through 130. Like, bro, it's been having narrow range consolidation days forever, and it gapped up and consolidated again, and then now we're gapped up. Like, it's got to have a day. Now, of course, it doesn't have to do anything. The market just does what it does. But you know, I'm hoping. I need big days. I got the 20R. Honestly, I need today to be good enough to tell my future boss that I can't take off tomorrow. Paul always trying to give you the snatch and run. I know, man. Damn, it is getting later. Man, I don't want to be here through lunchtime for sure, but it's like it's just now breaking out the level that I've been sitting here waiting on, which was 47.75. I mean 46.75. I need this thing to go off. I'll probably sell half a Baba at 130. I'll drop my position down to 75, maybe even 50. I'll do 75. No, that ain't enough. 60. I'll drop it down to 60. Yeah. That make me want to sell it all. But look, the SPY just broke out too. Yeah. Bob's pulling back. uh, yeah, I definitely should have gotten some out at the top. It should have been 2R. That's the thing, man. Actually, it should have been like 3 something. I told myself that as soon as I saw it up there, though, and I didn't do anything. Well, either it's gonna hold 129 or it ain't. Need at least one of these puppies to do something fancy, though. Yeah, that would be super cool. I just want to get a one take profit out. Like, if I could just get one take profit out, I'll feel great. It's moving really nicely, though. Like, it's a nice slow chill. Like, look at the 15 on hymns, man. The 15 on hymns is stupendous. I'm not selling a share till high day because of the 15 on hymns. Straight like that. High is 48.52. We're gonna go 48.47 on an order. Got 80 shares. I gotta sell at least half. Half would be 40. I'm gonna leave 30 on. Sell 50 and leave 30. Dang, Baba. Travesty. Travesty. Yeah, the R's messed me up on that one. I should have traded the chart. It was clear that I should have been taking profit. If especially surviving this dip to 129, I should have definitely taken some through this high. But just it still being at 1R, just like it's hard for me to take profit at like because of that. But um definitely should have taken some. Him's pulling back.
Order filled.
Man. Half a R. All of that for half a R, bro. Yeah. That's for sure. I should have moved my stop out the way though. Nah, I know I shouldn't. I ain't about to lose. Break even was still way down here though. Could always get back in, but it's not looking like that kind of trade anymore. Nah, I definitely did the right thing. That was definitely the break of the uptrend on the 5. Just like this low is. Dang, share size. You have to practice that skill, yeah. Yeah, I hear you. All right, I just gotta let Baba go. I'm taking it off my chart so I don't watch it. Too late in the day for a new trade, so it's just hymns. I'm telling you, hymns to higher day, easy peasy. The 15 lining up too, bro. It's bananas.
Order filled.
It's a really nice pullback. Tiny volume on these last two red candles. Tiny volume. Yep, slow roll. Come on, buyers. Yeah, buyers. Yeah, buyers. Mm. Okay. Been a little bananas on. Might have. What's this low? 46.94. I mean, 46.17. Yeah, it was. Not really. I mean, high days way up here, right? Yeah, I guess same principle though, for sure. Same principle though. I just like this 5 minute candle here and about to break to Google short 164. Nice. Man, it's like working out immediately, bruh. Did you take that NQ short? Leon? That thing is dropping. Bad timing for me. Yeah, I definitely didn't want to sit through a 15-minute pullback at all. good at all. Mm. Yeah. Well, I mean, I traded these pretty much like I always trade, which is waiting for 2R to start taking profits. So I haven't like done anything out of the ordinary. It just because I'm risking more money, it's like, wow, that's a lot of money on the table versus if I was risking $5, it would be like, you know, 10.75 right there. Nobody would be batting an eye about me holding. But I mean, this is the road to the 5, 6, 7 hour days. It's just some of the days are gonna end up like this, um, where I just get a little bit of profit, break even, or and I've tried to make adjustments to where I can eat a little bit off of even these type of days. And Baba honestly is the only reason. I should have just done the math on my stop size and calculated where I should start taking profit. Because then I think surely I would have sold these highs. This was just like total negligence. But and well, it's trading my P and L. It's trading my P and L and using that. Maybe that's the downside of using P and L as a guide on when you start taking profits. I would say for sure. Mm, preach. I still feel like we should be good, but you know, you know how those feelings are. Yeah, it would also make sense for it to pull back again, but it just seems strong enough to go up for the highs one more again. New 15-minute candle. Already made a high over that one too. That's pretty cool. 47.18. Just had such a good earnings catalyst. Man, I'm hungry. Got no snacks today. Yo, we take out this high again. It's really on. We need buyers. The ask is getting higher and higher, but my R's are going down. Come on. What's all my fidget toys at? Yeah. It was all a dream. Dang it. Almost had it. No. Man, I really wanted to see some numbers on hams. It's good volume into 46. Mm. $48. Come on, volume. Nah. This keeps going too low into 45.
WRD.
45.61. Is this low? 57, 47, 57, another 10 cent. Dang, man. Oh, this far. Yeah, I should have stopped on this low. Or this low for sure. 61. Guess we're about there now. I'll hold till it hits my stop. Yeah, I definitely feel good about the day. Disappointing results, but honestly, the only thing I'm really mad about not taking profits on is Baba because I mean, from where I entered and where I put my stop, it definitely went up a lot for me to, I should have taken profit on it. But yeah, what up, HH? Yeah. I'm definitely hungry, man. Hell, we was about to eat real good earlier, HH. Yeah, I know, Artem. I just wait. I didn't get to 2R on anything, so I didn't take anything. Although I should have taken some Baba for sure. You know, could have made $100 on Baba. Nah, I just
Order filled.
my normal process is I don't start taking profit until I get to 2R. And it's kind of a wide range entry on hymns, I guess. Yeah, that was a pretty wide range entry. Which, is a reason to make an adjustment, make a pivot, and, adjust for the fact that I really should have added here. That's where I first wanted to add. If I would have added there, I would have had enough up here to start taking profit. But yeah, the entry was just really wide, and it just needed to run a lot more for me to take profits on it. Hmm. Yeah, that's tough, man. That is tough. Yeah, it was exhausting sitting here going through all of that and then getting nothing for it. Yeah, I definitely up here was ridiculous not to take profit. Absolutely ridiculous. At least snug up the stop. Great entry though. Again, this would have been a place to add, but I just didn't have enough buying power. Yeah, but I don't it's not the dollar sign, it's the process of just the strategy. You know, I'm not just because I increase the risk and the dollar sign is bigger, I'm not gonna change what I've been doing. Just like, oh man, there's $100. Let me snatch $100. Like, I still want to keep my same process, and there's just gonna be days where it sucks like this, and um, it doesn't go my way. This actually looks really good. Retook the one. Five is good. No higher yet though. Just got the higher low. Yeah. Yeah, the money is I don't That's one thing that I think is a really cool benefit of just trading R's for so long. Like I took the dollar signs completely off of my platform. Y'all saw I was all you could see was the R's. So that's how I trade. You know, I manage the trade, you know, based on the R's. And I just didn't get to 2R today, so I didn't take profit, you know. But yeah, we'll see. Tomorrow will be better. Man, it was so close to being a crazy day though. So close. Uh, all right, Leon, take it easy, bro. I got such a dilemma, man. Now, so tomorrow, I'm expected to drive out to go lay out a job site. I'm thinking it's just like a 1 day thing, and then I'll be, you know, they're gonna order materials, and then I'll probably be off of it for a couple days. So it's like, do I try to push that back? I think today, if I would have got like 4 or 5 or 6 R, it would have been an easy decision. Um, but doesn't necessarily need to based off of that. I do feel like it was a good day. Um, I took 2 trades that went nicely into the money. They were definitely both in play. Baba just ain't got no wheels on it, man. Hmm. Um, it was 991 this morning, so now teetered over 1,000, like 1,060 maybe. All right, Uncle Paul and Trey, you guys relax. It's all love, man. Hug it out. Hug it out.
KO. PEP.
um, mm, yeah. Ah. Yeah, I kept trying to tell myself to trade the chart on Baba, but I just wanted one more I really wanted 130, man. I was really sold on 130, and I was sold on high a day for him, so I might have let my bias get in the way a little bit. Um, and then honestly, Hims already. I shouldn't even mess with Hims at all because of the move it had already made. Fast up, fast down. Yeah, that principle could have kept me out of Hims, and I would have had a full position in Baba, and probably would have taken some profits. But you know, coulda, woulda, shoulda. Yeah, yeah, you're right, HH. You know, it's really hard for me to take profit in when I'm just a R in the money. It's just, I mean, that's not that's not you know, part of being profitable is also having a good win loss rate, like you know, the risk to reward ratio, the win, you know, the 2 to 1 and all that stuff. If I start taking profits just because they're there at half a R or 0.6 R or whatever. It's just gonna throw everything off. Yeah. No, it was a good day. It was a good day. Risk was managed, money was made. Um, it just feels disappointing because, you know, we all saw what it could have been. Just needed to go up a little bit more to get to that cash in stage, you know. And it's gonna be like that some days. Um, man. Yeah, it's a shame not to get anything out of there. Shame indeed. Anyway. Hmm. Yeah, appreciate it, Jack. Someone somewhere is down to R. Yeah, that's true too, HH. That's true too. That's why I'm like, man, if I can just get up to 350 a R, even days like this won't be that bad. You know, it's like, all right, you know, a couple $100, no biggie. You know, so I think I can do this though. I think I can do it, but I don't know if I can tell her. It just, yeah, I don't know what to do, man. I don't know what to do. I got a lot to think about today. Today was a dub though. Big facts. What did Google pop back up? Wow. The market too, man. Yeah, I got to figure it out, y'all. I don't know. I don't know. The market is definitely ripping. Bruh.
VRN.
Yeah, you're right. Y'all right. I'm going to the gym. Yeah, I gotta get out of here. Yeah. Nah, man, I wanted Pony bad two-way rider, but I just I didn't want to mess with it below the daily breakout. I was looking for that daily breakout. So I didn't mess with it, man. I was watching it right before it popped off too, man. Yeah, I don't want to take trades after 11:30, man. I want that to be law. I was definitely thinking about it though. I was definitely thinking about it, but we'll keep the green streak alive. Let's pop in on the journal right quick before we get out of here. Check out this calendar. Let's see how we looking from. Sworn I put my phone on do not disturb. Hey, check out the curve, y'all. Yeah, for sure. Um, yeah, something's happening. Something's happening. Um, man, what a rough April, bro. I was very optimistic at the beginning of April, and it just went crazy. And I just wasn't taking things seriously, man. Look, 20 trades, 14, 8. And then I started slowing down. 1, 1, 5, 6 here. Man, this day was crazy though. 17 trades. Let's get that yesterday's trade in here. Bro, can y'all hear my stomach? Look at that, boy. One trade, 297.90. Dang, that's a big impact on the overview. Wow. Yeah. Thursday. What is 19 trades? Yeah, I was wilding out. Okay, so Friday is when things got serious. I went up to $25 risk on Friday. Only took 3 trades, closed out like 2.8 R. And then yesterday, cool. Today, very midday, but not a bad day. But man, we're up hella high on the month already. All right, I'm getting out of here, y'all. Thanks for hanging out, man. 21 folks in here. You guys mind tapping that like button for me? That'd be cool. Um, yeah, man. I think I'll do a review video again later today. Just kind of bring it all in, prepare for tomorrow, man. But yeah, man. You guys have a great rest of your day. Yeah. Hopefully I'll see y'all in the morning. I don't know. I'm really not sure. I might have to take tomorrow off. I just don't know if I can tell this guy like this is like my opportunity. Like, yeah, I don't know. I'll let y'all know, man. Peace.